Little space heater just warmed up my entire living room in minutes. Right now, this thing is only $12. Let me show you how it works. It's actually really simple. It's got 3 settings on the top, and then if it tips over, it actually turns off. This is actually great, so if an animal or a child bumps into it, it won't start a fire. You can actually hear it turning on and off. Listen. This is the best space heater I found for $12, and with the cold season coming up, I'm going to need it under my desk. However, with a crazy price like this, these things are selling out fast, so go ahead and click the link down below to get yours while you still can.